Welcome back to day number 15 of our 28-day challenge for seated yoga plus seated Tai Chi, seated Qigong, and seated breath work. Today we're going to do some breath work, and we're going to learn about this breath work ratio pattern called balanced breathing, sometimes called heart coherent breathing because of its benefits and its effects for balancing out the nervous system and balancing your heart rate. And then we're going to forget about the counting, and we're going to perform this exercise as Qigong, linking our breath with our motion, making it mindful movement. And if you feel safe and secure, we're going to close the eyes and get even more benefit from that increased relaxation. Most of us breathe at a rate between 8 to 15 or 15 to 20, depending on your age and depending on your athletic ability, which is much faster than 6 counts a minute, which is heart coherent breathing or balanced breathing. That's a 5-count breath. So it goes like inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the inhale is 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. And you see I'm already turning it into Qigong a bit, linking my breath with my motion. Breathing in, breathing out. So what does this do for us? Well, when we inhale, it increases our heartbeat. It shifts us over into the stress response just a little. Whenever we exhale, it does the opposite. It moves us over into the parasympathetic nervous system just a little bit and slows our heartbeat down. So whenever I'm talking to you, like right now, I may be breathing short little breaths as I'm talking. And my heartbeat will look like this, ups and downs. Whenever I inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, my hand now represents my heartbeat. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. It becomes linked to my breath, heart coherent. And it becomes a sine wave, that coherence, that linking the breath with the heartbeat in this case as the motion. Balanced breathing, balanced nervous system. Very safe, a great breathing pattern to do anytime, anywhere that you need to calm down or you need to return to balance. Most of the time is that we need to calm down because we live in a stressed out society. So how do we do this as Qigong? Well, we already showed you. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. We also got a feel for that, and we can remove the counting. And we don't have to get it exact. And if we take a traditional Qigong exercise, like putting our palms up on our lap or on our knees, and we just bend at the elbows, and our palms go up, and our palms go down, lifting palms, like the wings of a crane, folding and unfolding. And if we just take long, slow, deep inhale and an exhale of the same amount, and we're not counting, we're just doing this by feel. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing is soft and slow and full. The exhale is relaxed and just letting the air out in equal measure. Now we can also close our eyes if we feel safe when we want to relax more. And we can go deeper into our mindful movement, our moving meditation. Inhaling up and exhaling down. And what you want to do is you want to match your breathing to your movement. With your mind focused on just enjoying this exercise. If we want some extra relaxation, when we exhale, we can make the ha sound, a sigh of relief, relieving ourselves of extra stress, like a steam whistle, letting off stress. So keep on going. In a good amount of time to do this, 30 breath cycles, 30 times up and down, which is 30 times of breathing in and breathing out. Last 5 minutes. You can do that anytime, any place, as much as you want. Have a great day.